flyback converter. We will see how actually flyback converter works. Now first of all, we will make a circuit diagram. This is the switch. This is the capacitor. This is the inductor. This is the transformer. This is the resistor. This is the power supply, battery. Now let's connect these elements. We have to add one more element, that's diode. This is diode. Now let's change the turn ratio. Keep it 1:10. And we will change the resistance. Keep it 1 ohm. Now we will simulate. Close the switch. Now open the switch. You can see as we close the switch, the energy is stored in the inductor, and when we open the switch, the stored energy in the inductor forces this diode to forward bias and charge the capacitor, and energy is across load, or in real life it works like this. So as we open the switch, now the capacitor is completely discharged. Thank you.